Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to the very first day of me messing around with the F-Type. I wasn't able to get all the great shots that I really wanted to, as the shop was extremely busy today. We had cars moving in and out of the shop, so I wasn't able to really set up a continuous shot of us working, of pulling out the seat and kind of taking out all the accessories that are actually associated with the seat. So what I would really like to do is kind of show you guys around. I'm going to walk you through of what we did and kind of explain the entire process of what it goes through when you are dealing with the passenger side on a Jaguar F-Type. So without further ado, please follow me to the other side of the car and I'll explain of what we did, okay? All right, let's go. So the very first thing that we did today is the disassembly of this wonderful seat from the driver's side over here. Pretty much what it took, it was 4 bolts over here, you know, kind of a standard thing that you would do it on a driver's side seat like that. It also had a harness attached to it. Basically what this harness did is control the panel of the seat. So, you know, anything from bolsters, the side bolster control, you know, the upright position, up, down, the middle portion of the seat over here, and an up, down function from the bottom of the seat. Another thing that we had to do, and what a lot of people actually do when they take out the seat, we had to take out some of the trim on the side here when you enter into the driver's seat, just to not to scratch it, not to mess it up, or pretty much do anything bad to the car as to mess up the aesthetic. Over here we also had to take out this plastic piece that usually is here, just so we could kind of get to the back of it all, as the seatbelt mechanism was actually bolted in here. So once the seatbelt mechanism was actually bolted in here, the belts were actually going through here, out here, and then that's how you were, you know, buckling yourself in to click the seatbelt mechanism. So we kind of had to take all that out, which was quite cumbersome, as the car is very tight to work in here. As you guys see, there's not a whole lot of space going on in the car. Therefore, we had to be very careful not to scratch anything, not to damage everything, and everything had to be done meticulously. So kind of moving back to the seat here, as I've showed you guys before, well, the seat has an exploded airbag, which we will have to take care of. I'm gonna most likely have to take this to an upholstery shop. We'll possibly fix some of these scuffs over here too while we're at it. This is, you know, just from getting in and out of the car, you know, standard stuff that, you know, happens to all cars with kind of like the luxury sport bucket seats. I may be able to probably get rid of some of these scuffs over here too on top of that. So we'll get cracking on that. But without further ado, I mean, this is pretty much all we did today. As again, I said, it was really busy today. I wasn't able to set everything up, but I really hope that you guys kind of enjoyed this quick video of getting this thing up and running to that road legal worthiness. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to follow for more updates on this beautiful Jaguar F-Type S British Edition. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.